Hi, I have in front of me here a three-way HDMI selector. Now this product is a great product. We bought it in and are selling it off in a clearance corner inside tvtray.ie. But it's ideal for people who have a number of different HDMI devices that they'd like to connect to a television that simply has a single HDMI input. So if we take this television here, there's a single HDMI input on the back of the box, okay? So if I give the example here of we have two HD boxes here, a free-to-air and a Sky Plus. We want to connect both of them up to a television. Well, what we have here is we have the first box, the top box, which is, I think we'll say, I'll just check, it's just set on ITV HD, okay? So we have this working perfectly, and if we wanted to switch over then to the Sky box, we would simply push this HDMI lead into the HDMI slot on the back of the box. Just wait a minute and it'll kick in here. So now we have whatever channel we have here. So BBC, okay? So see, this is a bit awkward, obviously, pulling the HDMI lead in and out. A much simpler situation would be to come along and to use the HDMI selector here. So if you look at the front of the box, basically the three components that come with the box is the remote control, the power unit, and the actual unit here itself. So the front of the box has a power switch on it, and then it has an indicator and a button selector for HDMI 1, 2 and 3. Now if we look in the box here, the output that's going to connect to the television is simply called output HDMI, and then we've input 3, 2, 1, and where the power unit goes in the back of the box. So what I'm quickly going to do here is I'm just going to connect in this power unit. I've put batteries, AAA batteries that did not come with this, into the remote control here, and I'm just going to slot this power unit in over here, plug it in, and I'm going to take the HDMI power lead from the back of the box. I'm going to connect it in here to the output. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a HDMI lead and run it from the Sky Plus HD box. So if I just quickly spin this box around, we'll see here we have HDMI outputs here. So what I'll do is I'll just get this lead here and I slot it in where it says HDMI, and I run this lead over here. Okay, I'll put it in HDMI input, we'll say 3. And now I come along and I'll get the next HDMI lead, which is this one here. And I'll push it in here. And then I'm just going to slot this into the back of this box here on HDMI input 1, we'll say. Okay? So obviously I just don't want to unravel this cable here. I have to put it back on the shelf then. So what I have here then is we have the 3 boxes here come along. So what I do then is I can see the box is turned off right now. I could turn it on with the power button here. So we're going to go to a green light position here. So it's connected to HDMI input 1, which of course is coming from the top box here. Now if I come along and press button 2, there's no input in button 2, but if I go to button number 3, which is here, we see it indicated here. Now we're into getting the input from the Sky box, Sky Plus HD box. So this is quite brilliant, okay? In terms of it's really simple. I've seen this on the UK websites at £69 sterling, and we're selling that at more than a 75% discount on that particular price on it. And this is a good box. It comes with 12-month things, and it really does solve a problem. And we were just lucky to be able to buy up stock so cheaply and pass it on again. So that's an overview of the three-way HDMI selector. So it's ideal for HD TV, HD DVDs, HD SAT, and also HD games, connecting them into a single cable and using the remote control to select it. Very easy, compact, convenient way.